Lately, I haven't heard you for a while, baby. And I don't think things gon' work out. My mind's starting to have some doubts. I don't know what's going on now. Maybe you focus on somebody else or something else. I wanna be like we first met, but I guess that shit has sailed. Don't wanna say my goodbyes and farewells. Use my heart just like a stairwell. You used to always hit my phone, now it's just leave me alone. You used to always hit my phone, now you don't hit me at all. Yeah, you don't hit me at all. Yeah, yeah. I'm wondering, I'm pondering. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe I took the wrong step, maybe I gotta right my wrongs. Maybe I gotta put this shit in a motherfucking other song. Always complain about what I'm just doing wrong. Everything I put you through, what I do, what I do. And I'm about to lose you, cause all the power we go through. Talking about I don't know you. Maybe that's like the old you, or maybe you just old news. Baby, I haven't heard you for a while lately. I don't think things gonna work out. Baby, haven't heard you for a while lately. I don't think things gonna work out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't think things gonna work out between us. I don't think things gonna work out between us. I don't think things gonna work out between us. Remember, yeah. Remember we used to always use a fuck. Remember always used to always touch. Remember. Now we don't even look at each other. Remember. Yeah. Soul died out. You say you know where this headed, but you can't even give no directions. Even been to nowhere, even with GPS, but I ain't gonna give you no exceptions. So baby, haven't seen for a while lately. Acting like you wasn't even my baby. I ain't even should call you my lady. Yeah, you say that you lost feelings, but I have not lost feelings for you, baby girl. Even though you my world, like, baby. Haven't seen you for a while. Yeah, yeah. Haven't seen you for a while. Yeah, yeah. Haven't seen you for a while. Yeah.